Hello and welcome to the pilot edition of Street Education, where we educate people of interest on pronunciation and general knowledge. I am your lecturer, Standard. Let's go. Mr. Chukwemeka, are you a Nigerian?
Yeah.
Oh, that means you're an African.
Yes.
So is Nigeria an African country?
Yes.
So do you know about West Africa?
Yes. I know South Africa. I know some other places, Ghana, all this Cameroon, other.
Like, how many countries do we have in West Africa?
Gosh, it's more than 30 something.
Can you mention like 5 of them?
I know South African, Ghana, Cameroon.
So what do you call someone from Ghana?
Someone from Ghana. Say Ghanaian.
What of someone from Cameroon?
Hey, Cameroonian.
Someone from Togo?
Say Togonan.
Someone from Mali?
Say Malian.
Someone from Gabon?
Hey, say Gabonan.
Okay, someone from... why are you laughing? So what do you call someone from Poland?
Guys. Someone from Poland. Say Polanan.
Okay. Someone from Niger?
Say Nigerman.
Can you tell me about West African countries? Like, how many countries do we have in West Africa?
Well, that's good. With the kind of things we have in our head, the numbers doesn't matter. What matters is how we are living. I mean, before the colonial masters came, we have nothing like numbers or boundaries. And black people are always one unit. So I believe that it's better for us to know that it is only Africans that can solve African problems. There is no need for us to rely on foreign people. For example, people talk about God. God is an English white woman, as far as I'm concerned. So for you to understand the meaning of God, you must know how to speak English. And most of us here cannot speak English. We do not understand what it means. That's why they cheat us with the code number 419.
So, sir, please, can you mention 8 countries in West Africa?
That's a big job for me. I cannot mention 8 countries, but I can mention that as far as I'm concerned, I'm a Nigerian. I know that Nigeria is in West Africa. I know Ghana is West Africa. And then I know that, Chad is in West Africa. And I don't know the rest.
Sir, are you a Nigerian?
I'm a Nigerian, typical Nigeria.
That means you're an African.
Why are you asking such question?
Okay, but sir, do you know about West Africa?
Why not?
So, like, how many countries do we have in West Africa?
We have Ghana, we have Cameroon, we have Nigeria, we have Togo, we have Senegal.
You're right, sir. So, sir, if someone from Ghana is called a Ghanaian, what do we call someone from Togo?
Togonian, of course.
Then what do we call someone from Gabon?
Gaboni,
Then what do we call someone from Mali?
Malians.
Malians?
Malian, yes.
Then what do we call someone from Cameroon?
Cameroonian.
Are you a Nigerian?
Yes, of course.
That means you're an African.
Yes.
So is Nigeria a country or a continent?
Nigeria is a country on its own.
Okay. Under which continent? So do you know about West Africa?
Yes.
So like how many countries do we have in West Africa?
In West Africa, we have 16 countries.
Can you mention 7, sir?
I can mention Nigeria, Ghana, Senegal, Cote d'Ivoire, Mali, Mauritania, which they have changed their name. Then we have Ivory Coast.
So if someone from Nigeria is called a Nigerian, what do you call someone from Ghana?
It's a Ghanaian.
What do you call someone from Gabon?
Gabonian.
What do you call someone from Germany?
It's a Germano.
What do you call someone from Germany?
Germany is German. German man.
How well do you know West Africa?
I know West Africa to contain some countries like Nigeria, Ghana, Senegal, Cote d'Ivoire, Mali, and all the rest.
So how many countries do we have in West Africa?
I think we have up to 15 countries.
Come again, sir.
I think we have about 15, around 15.
So please, can you just mention 7 out of the 15 you know? Sir?
We have Nigeria, we have Niger Republic, we have Benin Republic, we have Togo, we have Ghana, we have Senegal, we have Mali. I think
It's up to 7. So, sir, if someone from Nigeria is called a Nigerian, what do we call someone from Ghana?
Ghanaian,
What do we call someone from Togo?
Togolese.
What do you call someone from Mali?
I don't really. Is it Mali? I don't really know.
Well, are you a Nigerian?
Yes, I'm in Nigeria.
From
From Enugu State.
Oh, that means you're an African.
Yes, I'm in Africa.
So, do you know about West Africa?
West Africa. Yes, I know about Nigeria because Nigeria we are always in suffering. You finish school, you will not get a job, and you will work everywhere. As you can see now, I'm holding CV to patrol everywhere. I'm from this office to the other office and looking for job.
Is Nigeria a West African country or not?
No, Nigeria is a country in West Africa.
So, can you mention 5 countries in West Africa?
I know only Nigeria because I've been another country before. I'm only in Nigeria. I never traveled to anywhere.
Yeah, like you've not traveled to anywhere, but you'll be hearing about West African countries. So, like, how many countries do we have in West Africa?
I don't know.
So, can you just mention 3 countries you know from West Africa?
I know Nigeria, and I know Ghana. I know Togo.
So it's 3. So if someone from Nigeria is called a Nigerian, what do you call someone from Ghana?
Ghanaian.
What do you call someone from Togo?
Togoinia.
What do you call someone from Mali?
Malia.
What do you call someone from Liberia?
Liberia.
What do you call someone from Germany?
Germania.
What do you call someone from Poland?
Poland. It's Poland.
What do you call someone from Niger?
Niger. Someone from Niger is Niger people.
So are you a Nigerian?
Yes.
So is Nigeria a country or a continent?
Nigeria is a country.
You're very sure?
Yes.
So how many continents do we have in the world?
In the world or only Africa?
In the world?
6.
6. Wow. So mention 3.
Africa, Asia, America.
America?
Yes, America.
Okay, so like how many countries do we have in West Africa?
There are many. I don't really know. No idea.
Like how many do you know?
As in Africa or
West Africa.
okay. Nigeria, Sierra Leone, Gabon, Zimbabwe,
And what do you call someone from Germany?
German.
What do you call someone from Gabon?
No idea.
Why? Think.
I don't know now. No idea.
Are you a Nigerian?
Yeah, I'm in Nigeria.
That means you're an African.
Yeah, you're really African.
So is Nigeria a country or a continent?
Nigeria is a country now.
So in Nigeria, how many states do we have?
We have 36 states.
36. Yeah, sure. Yeah. So do you know about West Africa?
Not that much, but I know about it.
So like how many countries do we have in West Africa?
Maybe 40 something.
40 something. Wow. So can you mention 5 out of the 40 something you
Why
know?
not? Nigeria, Ghana, Niger, Cameroon, and can we say this one, Cote d'Ivoire.
What do you call someone from Ghana?
Ghanaian,
What do you call someone from Mali?
Malian.
If there are more than one, what do you call them?
Oh, Malians.
So what do you call someone from Gabon?
I don't know.
What do you call someone from Poland?
Can I say my own? For like this,
Then what do you call someone from Egypt?
Egyptian,
Then what do you call someone from Togo?
Togonian,
What do you call someone from Cameroon?
Cameroonian.
What do you call someone from Niger?
No. They don't have name. Just Niger is Niger.
Nigerian.
No. Niger is Niger.
I believe you are a Nigerian.
Yes, yes, of course.
That means you are an African.
Yes.
So is Nigeria an African country or not?
Yeah, Nigeria is an African country.
So like how many countries do we have in West Africa?
Maybe around 7.
So mention 4 out of the 7 you know, sir.
West Africa. Nigeria is part of West Africa. Ghana is part of West Africa. Chad is part of West Africa. And Republic of Benin. Benin Republic. Yes.
So if someone from Nigeria is called a Nigerian, what do you call someone from Ghana?
Ghanaian.
What do you call someone from Liberia?
Liberian.
What do you call someone from Mali?
Am I wrong if I say malaria?
What do you call someone from Poland?
Poland. Polish.
What do you call someone from Germany?
German.
What do you call someone from Egypt?
Egyptian.
So are you a Nigerian?
Yeah, I'm in Nigeria.
That means you're an African.
Yes.
So like how many states do we have in Nigeria?
It's 36.
How many geopolitical zones do we have in Nigeria?
It's political zone. It's 59, Abi.
Okay, so mention 4.
4. Political zone. We have is it political party?
Do you know about West Africa?
West Africa. Huh. My dear, I don't know.
So how many countries do we have in West Africa?
Did I know of this? Ha. How many what?
How many countries do we have in West Africa?
Hey. My dear, I don't know.
Are you a Nigerian?
Of course, I'm in Nigeria. Speaker one for that matter.
So that means you're an African.
Yeah, black African.
But you're not black.
I am not black, but it's still the same mixture with us, black and yellow. Yeah.
So do you know much about West Africa?
West African, like Nigeria itself.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So like how many countries do we have in West Africa?
Like I can't really say, but about I can say 5. Maybe.
So mention the 5 you know.
South Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, Black America. That is what I can say for now.
So what do you call someone from Ghana?
Ghanaian,
What do you call someone from Togo?
Togonia,
What do you call someone from what do you call someone from Gabon?
will I say Gabonia? I don't know. Let me don't say rubbish.
Okay, what do you call someone from Mali?
I don't know. That is saying Black American, West African people now. I don't know.
So someone from Poland is called Polish. Then anyone from Togo is called the Togolese.
Okay,
Togolese, not
yeah,
Togolese.
yeah.
Yeah. Then someone from Gabon Someone from Gabon is called a Gabonese.
Okay.
It's a Gabonese, not a Gabonian.
All right, thank you.
And we have 16 countries in West Africa. He said he did not know.
No, I don't know.
Yeah, we have 16 countries in West Africa.
Okay.
In West Africa, we have just 16 countries. South African is not a West African country. Yeah, South Africa is not from West Africa. And someone from Togo is called Togolese, not Togolarian. Someone from Gabon is called Gabonese. Someone from Poland is called Polish. Polish. Yeah. No, Polandia. What did you say the other time? So someone from Benin is called a Beninese.
Okay.
Beninese. Then someone from Togo is a Togolese. Yeah. Someone from Mali is a Malian. Someone from Canada is not a Canadian. It's called Canadian. Yes. Someone from Poland, Polish. Okay, someone from Benin Republic is called a Beninese. Then someone from Poland is Polish. Yeah, just as you said. Then someone from Liberia. Then someone from Gabon is a Gabonese. Yeah, someone from Togo, Togolese. So in West Africa, we just have 16 countries. Then someone from Mali is called Malian. Someone from Poland is not Polandian or Polanian. Is a Polish.
Okay, Polish.
Polish, yeah. So then someone from Liberia is a Liberian. Someone from Gabon is a Gabonese.
Okay, Gabonese.
Yeah. In West Africa, we have 16 countries, as you said. Then in the world, we have 7 continents. In West Africa, we have just 16 countries. 1 and 6, 16. Okay. So in West Africa, there's nothing like Tanzania. We don't have Tanzania in West Africa. You mentioned something like Togolian. Yeah. Someone from Togo is not a Togolian. Yeah, Togolese. Someone from Poland is Polish. In West Africa, we have 16 countries, not 7. Yeah. Okay. Someone from Gabon is called Gabonese.
Gabonese.
Yeah.
Okay.
Someone from Liberia is called a Liberian. Someone from someone from Mali is not called malaria. You said malaria that time. it's not called malaria. Someone from Mali is a Malian.
Malian.
Yeah. Okay. In West Africa, we have just 16 countries. Someone from Liberia is called Liberian. Someone from Togo is. It's not Togonian, madam. Togolese.
Togolese.
Yeah. Then someone from Benin is called Beninese. Yeah, Beninese. Someone from Ghana, Ghanaian. Someone from Mali, Malian. If there are more than one, Malians.
Malians. Like serious? Naira Mali.
No, not Naira Mali. They are just Malians.
Okay.
So you mentioned something like Black America. Black America is not a West African country.
It's not a West African.
No. Then you mentioned something like South Africa. South Africa is not a West African country.
Oh my
no.
God.
So.
I tell me I was wrong. Nigeria.
No, I need to tell you.
I was just nodding my head.
No, I need to tell you.